children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn a new concept. We are going to learn the concept what comes before.
Can you see a picture here? In this picture we can see some animals. Cow, monkey, tiger, rabbit, goat. Can you say who is standing before the goat? Who is standing before the goat? The rabbit is before the goat. Who is standing before the rabbit? The tiger is standing before the rabbit. Who is standing before the tiger? Monkey is standing before the tiger. Who is standing before the monkey? The cow is standing before the monkey. Children, I will show you more examples to understand the concept of what comes before. Let us see the pictures. This apple is before the banana. This apple is before the banana. Now look at these pictures. This flower is before the fish. This flower is before the fish. The ladybird is before the flower. This ladybird is before the flower. The butterfly is before the bee. The butterfly is before the bee. The mug is before the ice cream. The mug is before the ice cream. Now we have learned the concept of what comes before. Next we can do number train activity. Here we can see a number train. What comes before 10? Yes, 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 2? 1. Next we are going to learn the concept of what comes between. Here the sheep is in between the dog and the bird. Look at the picture and tell what is in between the lorry and the ice cream. The boat is in between the lorry and the ice cream. What is in between the umbrella and the elephant? The joker is in between the umbrella and the elephant. I will show you more examples for the concept what comes between. The dog is in between the two cats. The dog is in between the two cats. The fish is in between the two flowers. The rose is between the two butterflies. Children, which number is this? 6. Then which number is this? 8. Which number comes between the numbers 6 and 8? Number 7 comes between numbers 6 and 8. Which number comes between numbers 8 and 10? Number 9 comes between numbers 8 and 10. Which number comes between numbers 1 and 3? Number 2 comes between numbers 1 and 3. Which number comes between numbers 3 and 5? Number 4 comes between numbers 3 and 5. Which number comes between numbers 5 and 7? Number 6 comes between numbers 5 and 7. So children, today we have learned the concepts what comes before and what comes between.
Now it is our activity time. Here I have written some numbers in these match boxes. Let us find the before number of these numbers. What comes before 15? What comes before 15? 14 comes before 15. 14 comes before 15. What comes before 21? 20 comes before 21. 20 comes before 21. What comes before 29? What comes before 29? 28 comes before 29. 28 comes before 29. Then what comes before 32? 31 comes before 32. What comes before 35? 34 comes before 35. What comes before 40? 39 comes before 40. Before number of 15 is 40. Before number of 21 is 20. Before number of 29 is 28. Before number of 32 is 31. Before number of 35 is 34. Before number of 40 is 39. Children, do this activity at your home. Also do the worksheets. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.